Alright, so peace be upon you everyone. Hope you're doing great. Here is Sofa Skills, a channel full of skills, science and sense related content. We hope you enjoy the contents because you're going to be coming across many amazing ones in the coming days, God willing. So keep subscribing to the channel, press the bell icon and like the channel for some amazing content. So let's start with today's stuff. There are people who really want to format tables based on top or low values. So they want to, they have a data set like this one and they really want to highlight in a certain color the top 3, the bottom 3, the top 5, the bottom 5, the top 10 or the bottom 10, whatever the requirements are. So how do we do it? We basically select the range we want to apply the format on. So this is the range for us. If select it all by pressing, it's easy, shortcut, Control, then Shift, then the down key, and now go to format, the option above, go to conditional formatting, and this dialog box would open for you. Over here you need to tell Google, firstly you need to tell it the range, which if you select the range it would automatically put the range in here, and then you need to tell it a rule. Google does not have a built-in rule for highlighting top 3 or bottom 3 values, so you need to tell it through a custom formula, and the formula is hello Google equals to rank. So Google is told to rank, and rank what? Rank C3. Rank from what? Rank from a range, from a static range, and a static range in Google or Excel is written using the dollar sign. So we need to make this selection static, and whenever you want that Google or Microsoft Excel locks a certain range, you need to use the dollar sign. C3 till $30. So Google, you should rank this range and look for the top 3 values, and if you find them, just make sure you put a yellow color on them. And you see the formula is not working in here, and the reason is I did not put a comma in here, and instead I put the wrong sign. So there we go, Google has highlighted for us the top 3 values, the highest 3 sales made by some people. If we want to make the highest 5 sales highlighted in the column, we can just simply put 5. If we want to put the top 10, there we go, then top 10. You can keep changing the value in here, and Google will keep changing values for you in the table. Now what if we want the bottom 3, the lowest 3, the lowest 5, the lowest 10? For that you need to tell Google to sort your table in an ascending order by entering 1, and that means 1 is going to tell Google to sort the entire table in an ascending manner. Now if we want the bottom 3 values, there we go, you have the lowest 3. So basically this is a very effective technique, because what you want is if for example the data changes and by mistake I entered 30 and it was actually 330, and then you keep adding digits, so there we go, the range changed. Now if I want the bottom 3 in green and the top 3 in the bottom 3 in yellow and the top 3 in green, select the range again, add another rule, but this time the rule is going to be different, and the rule is going to be that if again rank C3 in $3 till $30, and this time look for the top 3, and you need to color them green. There we go. So this is a very visually appealing kind of a table, because it's telling you the top 3 and the bottom 3 performers very easily. So if you change any value in this table, your results, your color shading will change. So just for trial, there we go, color is changing just because you entered a different value. You see, this is how amazing it is. So hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. Keep coming to the channel for more, keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing, and I'll see you next time. Till then, peace be upon you.